How to use coins on AliExpress. What's up everybody, welcome to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily use the coins on AliExpress. So on AliExpress you get the in-app currency called coins, which you can apply to your products while you check out to get different kind of discounts. So let's see how you can do that exactly. First thing that you want to do is head over to your web browser and search for AliExpress and make sure to log into your account. This will also apply to the AliExpress app, so if you're using the app, you can just follow the same steps. Now here all you have to do is once you make sure that you have logged into your account right here, you just have to go back and on the bottom of your in the middle of your screen you will see there's options like coins, games, super deals and plus. You just have to head over to the coin section and wait for it to load. And as you can see here, I have certain coins available on my account, and I also have an option to boost my coins. So I'm just going to tap on OK for now, and if you tap on check-in, you will get free coins right here. And if you regularly log into your account, you will get these amount of coins right here. Now all you have to do is scroll down to any of the available devices or products right here. Now all you have to do is just tap on this coin, tap on the product, and as you can see here it says 10% extra with coins, so you will get 10% off right here. You can see here are different offers like 10%, 5%, 2%. So depending on the amount of coins you have, you will get these kind of discounts. So that is it for this video guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you next time.